Welcome to another episode of Container Home Guru. In this episode, I'm going to take you guys on a tour through this double 40 container home. Here it is when it was back under construction. And this project is very special to me because it was the first project that I did that is purely on a consulting basis. So that means that this homeowner wanted to try to keep the cost down as much as possible by providing their own labor and sweat equity. But they still have to navigate the permitting process and the design and all those sort of things that require a certain level of experience. Well, I have a plan on my business model, which you can find on my website, containerhomeguru.com, which will give you some insight as to how that sort of thing works, where you can essentially purchase a group of hours that is for a guru on demand. And through that service, this homeowner was able to save a very substantial amount of money and complete their build. Here's their awesome mini split unit that they installed themselves. Here's the pier footings and the foundation system. There's a adorable patio off the back, and they're starting to get all moved in here with the accoutrements like barbecues and televisions and everything else. So if you have questions about a project like this, because maybe you have some concerns about pricing, but you have heaps of tenacity and you want to try to build something on your own, but need a coach in your corner to help something like this come to fruition, check out our website at crosthwaitecustoms.com, or I made it easy for you, containerhomeguru.com, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.